So first of all, this keyboard is a white 60% keyboard, which is the smallest practical keyboard form factor. I picked this keyboard up for around $75, but you could probably get it for around $70, depending on where you live. This keyboard has red switches, which sadly on Deltaco's website they don't specify what kind of switch it is, but more on the switches later. This keyboard is has what you call fully anti-ghosting, which means that you are able to press all of the keys down and your PC will read all of the keys at the same time. So one thing while unboxing this is I already had it unboxed before and I threw the plastic away. So usually the keyboard would come in a small plastic case. This instruction manual there's lots of shortcuts because the 60% keyboard does not have any FN keys or any volume control keys or any delete keys. So those are very easy to remember though. You only need them when you start out using the keyboard. One thing to keep in mind, the shortcuts that I always need again are sometimes the RGB keys because I prefer not to use their software. Overall, this unboxing experience, maybe as you can tell, was pretty nice. There was nice magnets that held it together so it felt more quality than other products. Here you can see the braided cable. It comes with a braided white USB-C cable. So here I'm just going to cycle through the RGB modes. All of these RGB modes are also accessible through their software, but their software is a little janky, I would say. More on that later though. Here I'm just showing you how to change the brightness, change the color, change the mode, change the speed. On the Onboard RGB, there are a total of 19 different settings, which is quite a lot. So in order to download their software, you have to go onto their official website, go over to the download section, and type in the keyboard number, and you'll get a zip file. So after you've extracted all of the files, you will be able to open the app and go through the launcher. Once you're through the launcher, you have the app. So right off the bat, I think this software could use a little bit, it could be a little prettier. Here you can see all of the different modes, these are all 19 that you had without the software. What's nice about this software at the moment is you can see and change the speed levels with ease and the brightness with ease, but the directional keys and the colors do not work. So here I'm going to choose this tan. Never mind, I'm going to choose this yellow, but it instead turns to a purple. The colors on this app do not work properly. If you click on a different color, it always switches the colors, so you can never choose the color that you actually would like. Another thing to consider is I have downloaded this software on 2 different PCs now, and both of the times it's worked the same, and so I uninstalled it and reinstalled it again. Sadly, even after that procedure, it still doesn't, the colors are still wrong. I would love Deltaco to fix this, that would be amazing. So within their app, they still do have Windows disabled keys and macros, and so far everything else has been working okay. You can see if you click on a key, then you can change it to macros, Windows hotkeys, anything that you'd really like. My testing, the profiles also even worked. Other cool features, when you unplug it, the app comes right back, so you can change your lighting accordingly. So here I'm going to take off the escape key to show you the red switch that's underneath. So I think this keyboard is a great idea for people who might be more on a budget. This keyboard for me so far has caused no problems. A big downside to it is the RGB software. If you're looking to fully customize this keyboard and go crazy, the software is not that good at it. You probably will have to spend hours trying to figure out which colors are which colors in the app. Other than that though, the keyboard is a little bit loud. If you live with other people maybe, it might be a problem, but for me so far it hasn't been. Generally I like the feel of the keyboard, and overall I think this is a great starter keyboard. I'm looking in the future to maybe build a custom keyboard someday. That would be very cool, but other than that, see ya!